What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. My name's Eric B. And today we're going to talk about my favorite landmarks and hopefully your favorite landmarks as well. You know, those iconic landmarks. You know, the ones that put a gleam in your eyes, a smile on your face, and brings joy to your heart. You know, those places that never ever get old. And today we're going to talk about some of my favorite landmarks, which is too many to go. I did 16 because I left one out initially, and I was like, man, I have to put this in. So it's 16 landmarks plus 7 more honorable mentions. So here we go. Get your popcorn ready. It's landmark time. Let's go.
Number 16, the Tower Bridge. Now, I haven't been all the way up to the top of the Tower Bridge and go see the crown jewels. I just walked across the bridge a couple times when I've been to London, and yeah, talk about beautiful and iconic. But when I do go across the top, it'll probably move up on this list. Number 15, Hollywood sign. Hollywood sign, need I say more? When you talk about awe-inspiring, talk about a true testament to what the American dream is. The American dream is Hollywood. Number 14, the White House.
The White House is completely awe-inspiring and breathtaking if you're an American citizen, no matter who's in the White House. It was amazing to me, and I saw it at 3 in the morning after leaving the bar.
Number 13, Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore National Park is kind of in the middle of nowhere. You have to be going there to go there. You won't go there by accident. It's about a 7-hour drive from Denver, but it's so awe-inspiring and amazing. How did they carve those faces in that mountain?
Number 12, Brooklyn Bridge.
Walking across the Brooklyn Bridge will never get old, no matter what time of the day. To see the iconic views of the city of New York City, absolutely incredible. You have to do the Brooklyn Bridge in your lifetime.
Number 11, Niagara Falls.
I absolutely love Niagara Falls. I've seen the American and the Canadian side to Niagara Falls. Both sides are amazing. You can get up close, get in the water, get up close, get splashed on. You can enjoy the views from a distance. Beautiful falls.
Number 10, the Statue of Liberty.
Lady Liberty is a true symbol of America. I was only up close to Lady Liberty back in 2002, but beautiful at a distance. I've seen it at a distance many times. Lady Liberty is a must-see symbol of the U.S.
Number 9, Prague Castle.
Prague is known for medieval castles, but there's nothing like Prague Castle. Prague Castle, right off of the Charles Bridge, and you can see it all over the city. This old castle is incredible, and I mean incredible.
Number 8, South Beach.
No matter how many times I've made the trip to Miami, it's been at least probably 7 to 10 times, you have to go to South Beach. Ocean Drive and Collins Drive, there is nothing like it. Nothing.
Number 7, Trevi Fountain.
The Trevi Fountain is shockingly beautiful. Absolutely unreal. I knew Trevi Fountain was going to be great, but it was a lot better than I expected. It definitely went well beyond my expectations.
Number 6, the Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower is one of those bucket list places that you just have to see and you feel like you've made it. But it's even more beautiful from a distance as I'm looking from my hotel, the Hyatt Regency at Charles de Gaulle at Troyes. It's so beautiful from a distance. It's pretty up close, but better from a distance.
Number 5, the Charles Bridge.
Now, this one easily could have been number 1. Talk about awe-inspiring Charles Bridge. This stone bridge was built in the 1300s. Wow. In the 1300s. I mean, there's nothing more European.
Number 4, the Las Vegas Strip.
The Vegas Strip is so incredible. And not only is it incredibly beautiful, the Vegas Strip never, ever gets old. And it is huge. I can't wait to go back to Vegas next week. Next week!
Number 3, Times Square.
New York City is the big city and the bright lights, mostly known for Times Square being those bright lights. Times Square will never get old. I could go to Times Square a million times. I've been 6 or 7 times. It never ever gets old, and everyone should experience Times Square at least 2-3 times in their lifetime. Everyone.
Number 2, the Colosseum in Rome. How iconic is the Roman Colosseum? You think about the barbarians, the gladiators that fought in this building, all of those years, going way back to history of the Colosseum. I mean, just thinking about it, there's nothing like the Colosseum. Nothing. Honorable mention. And number 1, the Grand Canyon. There's nothing like the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is absolutely unbelievable. Every single view that you have in the Grand Canyon is amazing. I took probably the cheapest view to West Rim, which is the closest one to Las Vegas, and it was incredible. So next time I'll go see more of the extravagant views, or maybe I'll take a helicopter.
And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can be notified of my videos in the future and help us to grow as a travel community. And if you did have any comments or you've been to any of these places, please let me know down in the comments section. Any places I omitted, a lot of places I haven't been to, so love to keep the conversation going down in the comments section. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace!